Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial. I hope everybody is doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful shawl. It's the granny stripes shawl, and it is related to a written pattern. So it is completing the written pattern. So before you follow the tutorial, just go ahead and check the written pattern in the link in the description box. Then we'll start right away on how to make this pretty shawl. So I'm using a medium acrylic yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. I'm gonna start with a magic loop. And I'm gonna chain 4. I'm gonna make 3 double crochet in the first chain from the hook. First cluster. I'm gonna chain 3 and turn. Now in the first chain 3, between chain 3 and the double crochet, I'm gonna make a double cluster. That means 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, all in the first space. Chain 1 and another cluster, which is 3 double crochet. Like so. I'm gonna chain 3, turn. Now in the chain 1 space, 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet in the first space, the previous chain 3 space. Chain 3, turn, 3 double crochet or cluster in the next space. Chain 1, and I've got the last space here. I'm gonna do again a double cluster. So 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. I'll continue the same, chain 3, three double crochet in the next space, the chain 1 space, chain 1, cluster in the next space, chain 1, cluster in the last space. So you see it's starting to shape. This side will always be straight up and this side will be inclined, which will shape the shawl. So the increase is happening always on this side. So at the end of the row you'll make a double cluster, and if you begin from here, you make a chain 3 and cluster in the next space. So increase only at when it's the end of the row on this side. I'll show you another row and it'll be the same. It's the same repetitive row. So chain 3, 3 double crochet in the next space, chain 1, another cluster in the next space, chain 1, and a cluster, double cluster in the last space. Later you can stretch it and it will be straight. So this is how it is. Again, as I said in the beginning of the video, check the written pattern because it will help you with which row to start exactly. So like I have explained, this is a straight line, it will go up, and this is a inclined line which will shape the shawl later on, like I showed you in the beginning. I hope you find the video easy and useful. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, take care, bye bye.